Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying you have admin access and the configurator installed. Log in to the device or web UI because you need live access to apply changes. Once done, import or point the tool at your certificate store and enter the target endpoints and IP ranges. Make sure to set a temporary backup snapshot before altering routes. This preserves the current state so you can revert quickly if needed. Next, you build profiles for each link and define rules that control traffic. Create a connection profile specifying protocol, port, and timeout. This standardizes behavior across links. Then assign routing rules, source, destination, priority, and failover, so traffic shifts predictably under load or outage. Once profiles exist, bind certificates and authentication methods to them. That enables secure handshakes. After mapping, validate each profile with a dry run or test traffic to confirm rule logic. Finally, deploy changes to production carefully. Push to staging, then to live during a maintenance window if possible. You should monitor logs and performance metrics immediately and run targeted connectivity tests to confirm traffic follows the new rules. If you see failures, first inspect authentication and certificate errors, then revert using the snapshot you created earlier. One key troubleshooting tip: when links don't establish, check clock skew and certificate validity. Time mismatches are a frequent silent cause of failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.